Hey guys, happy new year. I am bringing to you guys a really quick video before the year ends. This is peanut candy, or Groundpea candy as we call it in Liberia. So I start with 3 cups of lightly salted toasted peanuts, and I just chop up the peanuts and then melt the sugar. So that's 1.5 cups of sugar on high heat. Just make sure you stand by it. Since we're not doing professional cooking, I do not give you guys degrees and all of that, because I know you won't have the patience or to go buy candy thermometer to test and all that. So it's on high heat, stir it consistently, and stand by it until the sugar melts. This takes anywhere from 1 to 3 minutes. It really doesn't take that long. Do not walk away. It will burn your sugar and it will make it bitter. So after the sugar melts completely, add the chopped up peanuts to the sugar and reduce the heat to low, just to keep it heated to prevent the sugar from crystallizing fast. After everything is put together, just stir it and make sure it's well combined. Now this process gotta be fast because, like I said, the sugar is going to crystallize. After this is well combined, transfer it to a well sanitized and well cleaned counter or cutting board, and then spread it fast. As you can see, the end part of it right there that I'm spreading is even hard to spread because I took a little bit longer with that part, and the sugar just lumped up right there. So for those who are very detailed oriented, you're probably seeing the difference in color between the two candies. I had to make this video twice. The first one that's right there is a little bit darker because the sugar was too much, and I ended up kind of burning the sugar a little bit. Thank you for being here with me throughout 2019, and let us transition into 2020 together. Again, happy new year. See you next year, or see you next time, because for some people it's already next year to them.